Magandang gabi, oras na naman para sa ating Learn Tagalog. Good evening, it's time again for our Learn Tagalog. At ngayong gabi, pag-aralan natin kung paano sabihin ang I don't know and I know. And tonight, let's learn how to say I don't know at I know. Let's start. To say I don't know in Tagalog, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Let's say it again. Hindi. Hindi ko alam. Alam. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. And to say, I know, alam ko. Alam ko. Lam. Lam. Ko. Ko. Alam ko. Say it again. Alam ko. I know. I know. Alam ko. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. So now, let's have some examples. Halimbawa, example, I know your name. Alam ko ang pangalan mo. Alam ko ang pangalan mo. Alam ko ang, say that again, ang pangalan mo. Alam ko ang pangalan mo. I know your name. I know your name. I don't know your name. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo. That means, I don't know your name. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo. So that's our Learn Tagalog for tonight. Good night everyone and happy weekend. Bye!